Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to convert Excel to Google Sheets. Chapter 1. How to convert Excel to Google Sheets from Google Drive. To start, open Google Drive. After that, click New, then click File Upload. Now select the Excel file. After that, click Open. When the file loads, right-click on it. Here, select Open With, then select Google Sheets. You can see that the Excel file opens online, but it is still an Excel file. After this, click on the File menu, click Save as Google Sheets. Now the file will be available in this format. Chapter 2. How to convert Excel to Google Sheets from Spreadsheets. To get started, open Google Sheets. Here, click on Open File Picker. After this, go to the Upload tab. After that, click on Browse to choose the Excel file. You can see that with this method, the Excel file is automatically converted to Google Sheets. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. How to configure automatic conversion to Google Sheets. If your goal is to always have Excel files open in Google Sheets, open Google Drive. Here, click on the gear, then click on Settings. Then in the General section, check the box, Convert Uploads to Google Doc Editor format. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.